Hey folks, today we are going to see how to connect our Openrouter with our N8n instance, and I'll keep it very simple and cover it under 2 minutes. For those of you who don't know what Openrouter is, it is basically a marketplace for large language models, and it has more than 500 of them. And you can filter out basis any variable you want, basis the input type, output type, the context length, the pricing, the series, categories, and the list keeps going on and on and on. So let me just quickly show you how to connect with it. And this is the basic setup that anyone has. Now I'm going to go on this node and I'm going to click on the credential. I'm going to click on drop down and I will add create new credential. We just need to add our API key here. For that, I'll go to Google and search Openrouter and I'll click on the first link here to open this. Now I'll come to the top right, I'll click on keys and then I'll click on create API key. Here I'll just put a temporary name like demo, I'll click on create and I'll click on copy. Once it is done, I'll come back, paste the key here and save it. Now this is testing it and green means it is successful. So now your Openrouter key is connected, and if you like this kind of a tutorial, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share this with someone who is doing an AI project. Thank you, have a good day and see you in the next one.